Hello and welcome. In this instructional video, we will be looking at the basic setup on a 360 Systems Instant Replay 3 model DR1000. Users of previous generations of the Instant Replay should find the overall system familiar. However, we've added a host of features to provide better functionality in modern workflows. So let's get started. To set up the system, the first step is to go to the main menu and Playout Settings. Configure the master playout rate from the drop-down window and turn on or off the master declick fade to suit your needs. If you will be recording on the system, open the recording settings and set the bitrate, input source, and threshold. Note that the record sample rate is locked to the playout rate selected in the playout settings. In the global settings, you can change the screen brightness, backlight color, and brightness for the keys. A brightness level of 0 turns the backlight off. You can also select one of the other home screen styles to fit your use. The system allows for up to 6 GPI and 6 GPO. They can be set to any of the transport functions or to a specific hotkey. Setting the date and time allows the system to automatically generate a date-time stamped file name for all recordings. The date and time can be set manually or automatically using NTP on a network. Network setup allows for the setting of a DHCP or static IP address. It is also where the NTP servers for automatic setting of the date and time can be established. Networking also provides the ability to connect to a remote SMB server such as a NAS drive or folder share, so that it will show as a system drive on the unit. Clips can then be copied from the remote drive or played directly. This is covered in greater detail in a later video. It should be noted that it is not advised to make hotkey assignments directly from a remote drive or USB key, as the loss of connection to these devices will cause the hotkey not to function. Once the networking is set up, under User Access Settings, you can set your username and password for each connection type, such as SMB or FTP. If you have a remote access license and the ARC remote software, fields for this remote username and password will also be displayed. Usernames and passwords must be set prior to switching any of these functions on. The utility menu offers the ability to reset various aspects of the system, conduct firmware updates, and backup and restore system settings and content. You want to be cautious when using these functions, as many of them can have adverse effects on the system operations and potentially delete all of your content. The System Info button can provide key information about the system that should be noted when contacting support. As for the Bank Manager, Clip Manager, and File Manager, these are covered in a later instructional video. That concludes the basic overview of setting up the Instant Replay 3. Check out the additional videos in this channel for more information on specific system operations. Thank you for watching.